Welcome to another video, guys. We're back at the Forgotten Pond. We know there's some good pike here. Oh yeah, I've just been catching perch. Had a few pike bites. So today we have a heavier rod. We're going to throw some bigger lures and hopefully we're going to catch one. So guys, we're going to start with this Savage gear for the perch. It's 12.5 centimeters, 23 grams. It's super realistic, and I'm starting with this one because if you watch the last few videos here, there's loads of perch here, so I believe this pike feed on perch, so I think these will work good. Let's try these out. We're using my cheapest bait cast combo, the Berkley Cherrywood, 7 to 28 grams, medium, enough for this size lures. Quantum Invade, 30-pound braid, 30-pound wire trace. Let's see, should be enough for these guys. Let's cast it out there. See if we get any pike to bite these one. I have the BFS rod too, so I'll just throw it around if I don't have any bites on these. Honestly, at this point I don't mind if it's a big pike or a small pike. I just want to catch a pike from this freaking pond, man. I had so many bites and never managed to land one, so they're definitely around. I don't think they would say no to a perch like this. Super realistic lure. There's definitely a few on the next to that tree line there, and snags too. Oh, nice little fight on this rod. Cheers, buddy. Oh yeah, under the tree, as I said before. So much fun with this rod. Another little perch, 15 centimeters, so beautiful, fin perfect actually. Cheers, buddy. They gotta love all this area here. Question is, where's the pike at? I knew I shouldn't have brought this rod. Perch are stronger than me. Yeah. Small perch. Oh, drop my lure. Cheers, buddy. Actually everywhere has bites all around from perch, but perch are shy at the moment, and pike are not a single bite yet. Yeah, in between those branches, man. Yeah. Just ripped his lip. Nice dark colored perch. Cheers, buddy. Those two branches there, just cast it there in the middle. One perch just came out of there. There might be another one. Oh, had it for a second. He came back for it. No. Oh, it's so much fun. I don't even care about the pike anymore. Yeah. Oh, one hook set just came out of the water, man. Oh Jesus, there might be a couple there. Oh yeah, hit it again. Yeah, I could see it in the lure. Oh, this is so much fun. Nice little perch. They had a few bites. Cheers, buddy. Just down there, really. I was pretty sure I was going to get one from there. Oh yeah, bite? Yeah. No, oh, it came off. Yeah, there might be a little shoal there. It's like every caster bites. Well, not now. Oh yeah, I had one again too. They followed. Oh yeah, bite. They're starting to get shy after a bit. Too many casts, same spot. Well, since the pike not playing, at least we're having fun with some perch on the 1 to 8 gram rod. It's so much fun. Just like no backbone, can't really set the hook on these. Okay guys, so this is the deeper area and that's where I'm more confident to catch a pike. And that side there too, that's what we're going to try next. We started on the worst area on purpose, I guess. Oh yeah, that was a perch and that was another perch. Oh, he came off. See if I catch one before we jump to the pike gear. Oh yeah, he came off too. Let's try again. Definitely around. Probably a little shoal too. That was a tiny perch. Oh yeah, got it. He came off. There's no way. It doesn't matter how you set the hook on these, they just come off. Funny. I could see he had a lure. Oh, again. Oh, he fell off. They all here in front of me and I can catch one. That's how good I am, guys. I don't know if you guys see, he landed again and he just went for it. Crazy little wasps, man. That's why it's so much fun to target these. That's why I like rods with a bit more backbone, to be honest. Not as fun as these though. Yeah. Finally one, man. After so many bites. Yeah. Cheers, buddy. Oh, that wasn't the greatest cast ever. Oh, it landed on a perch. There's no way. Really? Another one. Can I have my lure back, buddy? Cheers. Beautiful, man. Beautiful perch. Cheers, buddy. One more. And then just pike, pike, pike. All the way down there, biting the tail, I could feel it. And then I start slowing down, it was biting the tail. Slowing down, biting the tail. Freaking wasps, man, they're so much fun. My lure is destroyed too. That's how many times they took them off the jig head. I wonder where the big ones hide all the time. Yeah. Oh, that's not a bad one. Not a bad one at all, guys. Well, guys, best perch of the day. And actually one of the best I've had here. Thanks for biting, buddy. There he goes. Wasn't actually a bad perch. Definitely best of the day. And the second best I've ever had here. The rest were all super small compared to this one. Not that this one is big, but yeah. Oh, it came off. Okay, I'm going to put this rod down because I just then want the perch to bite instead of a pike. Yeah, smaller one. It's a perch still. Beautiful colors, man. Cheers, buddy. They love this pink lure. There's no way I can catch more these than the Z-Man. Oh, another one. Small. They're all about this size.
Yeah. I went to Lake District last week.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I got plenty of these.
Yeah. Bites straight away. It's insane. It's crazy.
It's a small one, isn't it?
Yeah. Okay, let's put this down. I'm done with this rod. Let's target this pike. So we put this Fox Rage Zander Pro in chartreuse. See if we have any luck. The thing here is like this pike has so much perch to feed on that it's probably tough to get them to hit a lure. I don't know. Oh, that was a pike, probably, maybe. Just want to catch one from here. It's one of my favorite size. I know they're around. Well, we definitely need to catch a freaking pike here, guys. It's not been easy. But normally I have a bite on the small lures, and today they're just not playing really. Probably was the wrong day, but you know, it just looks nice. Windy, overcast, you know. It's gotta be a perch under this tree. Yeah, as I said. See like an overhang tree. There's gotta be something right there. Nice little perch. Cheers, buddy. Yeah, when I see an overhanging tree like these, it's just a nice perch spot, I would say. Couple casts with these too. They're definitely not playing today, but I still want to try. Yeah guys, no pike again. Second session trying, but this time not even a bite or anything. But yeah, next time I'll just bring the pike rod, so I'm just definitely going to use just pike lures. Though it's a bit shallow to throw anything big anyway. But yeah, I guess they were not really active today, to be honest. I was targeting pike as well, and they were just turned off today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment. If you want to see more, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.